Hey, what's up, everyone? So I just wanted to do a quick little video slash demo of something that I have. I've mentioned it before. I kind of put it down for a little while, but I'm bringing it back here. It's one of my new ventures for 2024. I'm really excited about it. And I'm just kind of putting it out there and kind of, I guess it's called being vulnerable, called being open, called doing whatever. Because it's something that I'm launching and it's using my own methodologies and the things that I've worked with for people who actually pay me to do these things. I've done this for myself now yet again. So I started in this game, in this app game, this software game back in like 2017, 2018 with my own app. You guys might remember it was a running and fitness app. And I haven't done that for myself in a very long time. I've kind of been building other things, doing the Dapper Mobile Apps agency, that kind of stuff. But I'm really excited for 2024. I'm launching this brand new idea. I've mentioned it on here before, but it's called Trophy Makers, and it's in the taxidermy space. And it's an entire platform. It's a taxidermist marketplace. I got into this because some of you might know my dad always has done taxidermy, kind of did it as a hobby for a long time. Now that he's retired, he's doing it a little bit more and more. It's really cool. He's really, really good at it, by the way. But it's just kind of inspired me to look into this industry and to look into things. I always have this new way of looking at things, this entrepreneurial drive of how to solve different problems. I've just learned this over the years, kind of taught myself it, and I looked into this and I realized that there was a huge need for this type of platform that I had envisioned creating. So that's what it is, and it's called Trophy Makers, and it is basically that. It's a way for you to find specific taxidermists, maybe in your area, maybe nationally, who specialize in the specific species and or mount style that you're looking for. Because a lot of people just want to get their white-tailed deer mounted or something like that. But there's tons of species out there. So say you get something like an elk or a pronghorn antelope or a mallard duck or a turkey or anything like that. Your local taxidermist might not specialize in those types of things. Like I know my dad, been trying to push him to get in to do more things, but he's very, very good at whitetail shoulder mounts. That's what he's very, very good at. He specializes in that. But you bring him a bear, you bring him, something else, it doesn't have a lot of experience with that. And that's what happens a lot inside of the taxidermy market is you have a go-to guy or a gal, and they're just not good at or specialized in the specific thing that you got, right? So the idea was to bring that all together. So I'm gonna show this here, and this is basically what it is. Okay, so I believe you can see my screen now. So this is the Trophy Makers platform. And I'm showing it kind of in the preview piece here. I built this with a tool called Adalo. So basically, this is the exact type of app that I build for my clients, now myself. So keep that in mind as you go through that. If this is something that you're looking to do in 2024, this is the exact stuff that I can help you build. So anyway, it has an entire directory and marketplace for viewing different taxidermists. You can favorite different ones. You can see your favorites. You can see top rated ones. I'm not sure why that's showing up that way. You can even see nearby ones. So I can actually see a map view of any different kind of taxidermist and all this other stuff. And then we also have an events piece where you can see upcoming taxidermist and or outdoor events, their locations, their times. You can link directly to the details of them, all that kind of stuff. And the other cool thing about all this is that it's all built as a responsive platform. So I used to just do mobile applications, but now with this new technology, these new types of things, we can do responsive things like this. So you can see this is also available as it's not really a mobile website, it's called a progressive web app. So you can access it via a desktop, a tablet, or a phone. So it's built in 3 different versions, and it's really, really cool because, I mean, honestly, to build something like this, it could be a hefty type of project if you're looking to do something like custom, but with the types of platforms like Bubble, like Adalo that I've built this in, it's so much cheaper and so much faster, and it's really, really cool. So we also have an inbox feature where you can chat and you can actually message taxidermists directly, which is pretty cool. We have a social wall where you can actually post different things. You could post different animals, things that you've had, projects or trophies that you've got, anything like that. And another cool thing is a samples piece. So if you want to see different samples of what different animals might actually cost, taxidermists are actually able to come in here and say, okay, this is a black bear rug that I've done. The average price is $24.52. That's what you could expect to pay. It's not an actual quote. It's just like, hey, if you want to get a moose shoulder mount done, it's probably going to cost you about $6,000, depending on the size of it, right? A muskox life size, $8,500. Cape buffalo, $9,500, right? All these different things. And then you can filter by the different, say I want to look at just habitats. I want to look at, birds and waterfowl, like whatever the case might be. There's not a whole lot in here because we're just getting started with this, but that's what's kind of cool about just kind of getting this all out there and ready to go. So you can search by just different, whitetail things like that. So I'm super, super excited for it. And then the other cool thing is we've built an entire dashboard for taxidermists. So you can actually come in and you can manage your profile. You can add portfolio pictures that are listed on your particular profile. You can actually, and then we're also building in partner deals. So you can get actual different deals, and taxidermists are buying all kinds of stuff all the time anyway. So you can actually get some partner deals and affiliate different types of things. We have breaks on things, 10% off, 20% off, whatever. So we're building those as we go. We're still working on closing some big deals for those. But that's kind of how all that goes. So anyway, just a quick little fun, type of deal to do with all of this. I've been having a blast doing it. It's been really, really neat. I'm excited to get this launched and promoted inside of, inside of 2024. Going to be going to a lot of different, events and sponsorship things and all kinds of different stuff. So I'm really excited to showcase this and to see what becomes of it, because it's been a labor of love so far, but I'm ready to take it to the next level and do different things with it. So love to hear any of your feedback, any of your ideas. If you know of anyone who might find interest in this, you can actually go to trophymakersclub.com right now, and you can sign up for a free account. This is an absolutely free platform for people to use. It's actually going to be a paid subscription for taxidermists to list themselves on here, but we're actually doing a promotion where the first 50 actually get a free setup. So if you know a taxidermist who might be interested in getting listed on here, I have 50 spots open where I'll do the setup for you. I'll set up your profile. I'll do all of this for you. So if you click on view profile, you'll see, your listing here, all of your information, your website, your phone number, your location, I'll add your portfolio pictures for you, the whole 9 yards, but I can only do that for so many people, right? I can't do it for everyone. But then also if you had an idea for any kind of software app or a platform or anything like this is what we can build. Like, this is what we can do, and 2024 could be your year to launch this. So, anyway, appreciate you watching. If you watched all the way through, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in 2024. Talk to you later.